You know, there's a lot of myth about sending a cable down corrugated pipe. Well guys, we do it every day and it's really not a problem. That cable is strong, but so is that pipe. If the pipe is broken or collapsed, of course the cable won't go through it. It will not tear up your pipe. It will not hurt anything. Corrugated pipe is a myth about sending your cable down that line. You can see that it really grabs a hold of the roots. So we need to go ahead and untie those roots off of there right now. Whether your pipe is cast iron, terracotta, scheduled 40 PVC, or corrugated, roots will get in this system. You know, this is solid pipe. French drains are perforated pipe. I really feel sorry for the homeowners that have these French drain companies come out and they tell the people, we'll install a French drain and it'll last forever. Because we come back and clean the line. This pipe is ADS corrugated and it survived about 16 years before the root system became so severe that we had to come and clean it. Yeah, good. So you can see the root system that's totally bound up inside this pipe. Lots and lots of roots. Hasn't been cleaned since it was built. That corrugated pipe, it lasted a long time before it got roots in it. But it is a myth about sending the cable down the line. A lot of companies, they just don't want to clean these drain tiles because, you know, it's not a good success rate when they haven't been cleaned in a long time. Usually they are collapsed. However, this one is wide open, and I showed you the water down there at the creek. Basically, we're just going to untie these roots. We're going to go down to the next one and clean it as well. I'm sure we'll find roots in there the same as here. Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drain. Today we're going to be doing some downspout drain cleaning. These are probably the most important drains on your house. And the reason that we're doing that is this particular home that we're working on is getting water down the crawl space. And pretty sure it's coming from those downspout drains. So let's go over here and take a look. You can see he's got nice 6-inch gutters, good 3x4 downspouts. And in this front corner right here, we're getting a lot of water into the crawl space. But while you're here, you know, or while you're doing it, make sure you check all of them. Make sure they're all in good working order. So what we've done is we set up our garden hose to let the water run here. We got water coming out. So we've got water running. I don't hear it running, so it's definitely backing up. I can see it filling up inside the downspout here. It's almost full right now. So we're going to clean this line. And this line should run all the way down the side of the property and over the hill. In addition, it's going to pick up 1, 2, 3 more downspouts. So there's 4 downspouts on this line. And let's go ahead and get started. So again, the way this machine works, this reel continues to turn and the 3/4 inch cable, steel spring wound cable, slides down the pipe. When the end of that cable hits a stoppage, the cable at the end would stop turning, but the reel continues to turn. That builds up tension, and eventually so much tension that the end of the cable spins and cuts through the roots. This is really a good 2-man job, but you can do it yourself. 2-man makes it easy because you can walk down here to the next downspout, which is well hidden behind these bushes, and you can listen. Ooh, these are hollies. And you can listen in the downspout. And yes, I can hear the cable. So we know that this downspout, this drain, as it comes across and ties into the main line, is open. Let's go check the next one. This one I don't hear anything, so we know that this one's clogged. There's one more. What a neat house. Let's listen in here. I really don't hear anything here either. So here's where this drain discharges. You can see the water coming out right here. Again, this is about 150 feet back up there to where the operator is running the machine. We've got a great flow of water. It's already cleared up, and I can hear that cable inside that line. So we know that the main section of this line is clean, and what we need to do now is clean the feeds, which are the downspout drains coming across and tying into this line.
Downspout drain is the most important drain in the rainwater drainage system. I've posted so many videos trying to explain this. You must maintain this drain. It is so important. So many other drains tie into the main line, and that is the downspout drain. So if the downspout drain's not working, everything backs up.
Feeder lines that come to the main line. You can see I've got the water running. We're going to go ahead and stick the hose in here and just let that run, and we'll see if it comes out down there at the creek. Because if it does, then you don't need to clean it. Save yourself some time, or for us, we'll save the customer some money. We're ready to clean it. As you can see, we've got the machine set up right here. So far this one's looking really good. So now we're going to do a sound test from this one down to the next one. See if you can just hear that water running inside there. You hear it? I'm going to tap on the downspout. You need to listen. Okay, so we're going to move the machine over to this one because this one is working. Yeah, I hear it filling up. So we're going to have to clean this one. This is just about a 4 or 5 foot run, but it's still backing up and it has to be clean for it to drain.
Watch how this water goes down as the cable goes through the stoppage. You'll know that you went through the stoppage because if you've backed up your pipe, it's going to overflow and it's going to disappear.
Hey, this
is
Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
Hey everybody, Nash and Joe with the Tampa Drain Dudes.
We are incredibly excited to announce that we are now partnered with Apple Drains. And what that means is that we are going to be taking over all of their clientele in this Tampa Bay area, which also includes...
We're going to go as far north as Brooksville, we're going to go as far east as Lakeland, and south as South Tampa, St. Petersburg area. If the job is the right size and we really need to help our clients out, we'll go a little bit more north, a little bit more east, and a little bit more south, just depending on what you guys' needs are. Joe, you got anything to add?
We're going to cover all exterior drainage that you may need: French drains, sump pumps, channel drains, gutter downspout redirection, all that good stuff. So check us out, tampadraindudes.com. We are incredibly happy and thankful for this experience to partner with Chuck from Apple Drains.